What vehicle stands out without ever needing to show off? It's the 2026 Corolla Hatchback, arriving in confident, sporty style. But it's not just a pretty face. All those good looks come with a seriously engaging drive, an effortless balance of excitement and efficiency. Basically the total package. Fun comes standard across 3 grades: SE, XSE, and the Corolla Hatchback FX Edition that gives a fun hat tip to the Corolla FX 16 of the 1980s. So buckle up. It's time to take a ride. Corolla Hatchback has a deep passion for performance. It comes standard with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 169 horsepower. This hatch drives with sporty soul, tight and responsive, with a standard dynamic shift CVT with paddle shifters that helps put the driver in control. Its innovative transmission includes a physical launch gear designed for smoother low-speed driving, and 10 selectable ratios in manual mode. And Corolla Hatchback boasts seriously confident handling, thanks to its standard McPherson strut, front and multi-link rear suspension. Plus, when it comes to fuel efficiency, Corolla Hatchback has up to an EPA estimated 35 miles per gallon combined rating. And all that cool drive comes wrapped up in a cool package. The 2026 Corolla Hatchback's got style for miles. Available 2-tone exterior colors, standard black shark fin antenna and side mirror caps, and on the XSE grade, standard 18-inch graphite finish alloy wheels. Oh, and that 80s throwback FX edition? It's available in 3 exterior colors: Ice Cap, Inferno, and Blue Crush Metallic. Not to mention all the style that comes standard. 18-inch alloy wheels with gloss white finish, vintage sport wing, black overlay badging, and of course, no throwback would be complete without a heritage style badge. Check out the Corolla badge on the rear. Use the standard smart key system for handy access. And inside, convenience and comfort. It comes standard with single-zone automatic climate control on SE and FX Edition, or dual-zone on XSE, and an available 7-inch digital gauge cluster, 4 standard USB-C ports, and available Qi-compatible wireless charger to power up without the cables. Plus, a standard leather-wrapped steering wheel and standard front sport seats that put drivers into the pole position. And Corolla Hatchback's versatility means rear seats have a 60-40 split fold-down, complete with a center armrest for added convenience. SE has fabric trim, while XSE has Softex trim with fabric inserts, along with standard heated front seats and 8-way power adjustment for the driver. The FX Edition has standard heated black sport touring seats with orange stitching and 10-way power adjustability on the driver's side. While we're inside, let's take a look at the gadgets. Every Corolla Hatchback comes stacked with tech. And it's all centered around the Toyota Audio Multimedia System with standard 8-inch touchscreen. The platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. Wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And an 8-speaker JBL premium audio system comes standard on XSE, boosting high-quality sound for those playlists. Select grades include trials of Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Toyota's advanced safety systems give added peace of mind. Every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Plus, blind spot monitor with a rear cross traffic alert comes standard. Corolla Hatchback is the life of the party. Sporting peppy performance, style, and tech. Basically, the one in the yearbook with all those most likely tos on lock. And every Corolla Hatchback includes Toyota Care, providing 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first. And 2 years of unlimited mileage, 24-hour roadside assistance, ensuring peace of mind from day one. Get to know the compact that goes big at Toyota.com.